ready for some pirouettes in second position? Place those feet in first position, arms in bras bar, lift tall through the spine, take a breath, place those hands on the bar. Tendu through the floor, press down into second, lift nice and high that retire and simply place back to first. Again, and press down and then lift that retire nice and high and place. Now third set is a little bit different. We come up into a soft releve, up, nice and high with that retire. And the fourth one, same thing again. If you want an extra challenge, take those hands off the bar. Now we're going to do some pirouettes from fourth position. Place your feet in third or fifth. Float those hands to the bar. Dégagez à la seconde, slice it into fifth. Dégagez derrière, place it into fourth. Scoop up nice and tall with that high retire and lift and lower. Repeat. Now on the second set, we find our balance. Bring the arms to first position, lift tall through the spine, through the crown of the head. Beautiful. Now we're going to step it up a little bit. Place one hand on the bar, feet in fifth or third. Take a breath. Float the arm through first in line with your belly button. Allonge and lift the outside leg to a little coup de pied or petit retire. Make sure not to sickle. Scoop up through the waist. Place that foot back down. Allonge, big breath with the arm. Close that leg in front, ready to repeat on the second side. And push. Energy through the foot, pushing through the floor and rotate through both sides evenly. Allonge, close, and you're done. Your arms are really important in this exercise, so make sure you don't skip over their correct placement. Connect that first position as you whip around.